If you're experiencing a server timeout issue in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Restart your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help clear any connectivity issues that may be causing the timeouts. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking Valorant. You may need to add Valorant to the exceptions list or temporarily disable your firewall to see if it resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. If you follow these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the server timeout issue in Valorant. Good luck and happy gaming.